Conflict is a natural form of life. It's a natural occurrence. Inappropriately dealt with or not dealt with at all, and it can lead to violence. It's unfortunately something that we really need to try our best to respond to so we can de-escalate the situation. However, mismanagement of these situations, and especially in areas that prove to be troublesome or environments that prove to be troublesome with instruments available such as guns, knives, weapons, and what we've got is a recipe for disaster. High school mentors, I'm Rob Samp, and this week we're going to be identifying ways to sidestep or avoid or even de-escalate situations that could escalate into violence. Question 1. How can conflict result in violence? What are other factors that can contribute to the violence? Question 2. What are types of violence in your class, your community, or your city that needs to stop? Have you identified any? For this week's activation assignment, we want students to pair into 3 groups. One group representing the class, another the community, and lastly, the city. Each group will come up with various different forms of violence that can happen in each environment. Then, come up with plans of action to reduce this said violence. We want to then present the entire class, so we've got all 3 groups represented, and we've got a bunch of different ways generated to reduce violence in each of those environments. High school mentors, thank you so much for joining us in the month of January. Again, I'm Rob Samp, and next month we're going to continue our lessons, so see you then.